Am I the asshole for leaving in the middle of celebration because of the toast my husband gave? I F25 married my husband M31 3 years ago. I'm currently pregnant with our first baby together. We found out it's a girl and my in-laws wanted to invite us for dinner for gender reveal announcement and celebration. We got there, saw many relatives coming to congrat us and celebrate. It was bigger than expected, which made me nervous because I'm not a fan of being around many people. We sat at dinner table and I barely ate. I was feeling so much anxiety and was sort of upset my husband didn't warn me about how many people were coming, but I tried to stay calm and collected. Anyways, after the announcement and in the middle of the celebration my husband wanted to give a toast. He opened a bottle and poured a drink and wished that our daughter be healthy, happy, but looked nothing like me. Everyone at the table laughed. I sat there staring in shock while he kept laughing with them. I felt so much rage and my anxiety got out of hand. NGL. I got up, took my purse and made my way out. His mom followed me asking if I was okay. I told her I just wanted TK go home. He came to the door asking what was wrong. That's when we started arguing. He said this was a joke toast and that my reaction was over the top, but the thing is ever since I got pregnant he kept hinting he doesn't want our daughter to look like me. He even once got up in the morning and first thing he told me was how much he wished our daughter looked nothing like me. It hurt me while I'm already dealing with low self-esteem and anxiety. I wanted to go home but he said I was being a baby and that I should learn to take a effing joke. I said he made everyone laugh at me. He defensively said it didn't warrant me to walk out of dinner and be so disrespectful to the relative who came to celebrate and share our joy. I went home and he called many times telling me to get my insecurities in check before Jay passed them up to our daughter. He urged me to get therapy and stop acting so dramatically like how I did in front of his family. I think leaving dinner wasn't the best solution, but I just got overwhelmed.